Hospitality isn't just a career, it's a passport to the global adventure. Hello everyone, hi, my name is Imran Pathan. I'm an assistant professor here at the D.Y. Patil Dean to be University at the School of Hospitality and Tourism Studies, Navi Mumbai. And today I'm here to tell you how we turn textbooks into passport and classrooms into global adventure. At the school, we do not just teach hospitality, we live it. Learning over here is not just confined into four walls. We believe in taking education out of the classroom into the real world, straight into the industry. And for that very reason, we have collaborated with top hospitality brands, global institutions and industry experts, which allows our students to have a real world exposure. For instance, London to Paris or Dubai to Russia, or for that matter, Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Be it a vineyard in Maharashtra or kitchens in Singapore, our students had the privilege and exposure to witness one of the most iconic hospitality hubs in the world. Imagine standing inside Burj Al Arab, one of the finest iconic hotels in the world, or watching a demo in Le Cordon Bleu, United Kingdom, Scafa in Dubai, Swissam in Russia, or getting to know how the alcohol or whiskey production is done from Paul John Distilleries in Goa, or visiting Coca-Cola bottling plant. These are the kind of exposure that we offer to our students who have experienced all of this. That's not it. The industry comes to us too. We had the privilege of hosting one of the most iconic hospitality legends and celebrity chefs right in the school. To name a few, we had the privilege of having Chef Tom Mulligan from Le Cordon Bleu, Chef Parvinder Bali, Chef Ajay Chopra, Chef Rakhi Vaswani, and the first female bartender of the nation, Miss Shadbi Basu. How can I forget Chef Harpal Singh Soki, Namak Shamak, right? And to add an international flavor to this, we have Chef Princess Veena right along with us in the school. She brings an expertise of 34 years of Asian cuisine along with her, and she is an in-house international professor for our student. She brings authentic global expertise right into our kitchen for our students. But we do not stop right over here. Our students in the school, they do not simply study, they lead and innovate. With the hands-on projects and assignment that has been assigned to them, they get to tackle the real industry problems by developing problem-solving skills and building up leadership abilities, which sets them apart from the rest. So if you're looking for a career which is not just a job, but an adventure filled with flavor, cuisine, culture, and global adventure, D.Y. Patil Dean to be University, School of Hospitality and Tourism Studies is the right place for you.